Hey guys, in this video, let us talk about functions in C. Functions are basically a block of statements which perform a specific task. There are two types of functions, predefined or standard library functions and user-defined functions. Predefined functions are the ones which are already defined in the header files, so we just call them whenever there is a need. For example, when we consider printf and scanf, we call them from a header file called stdio.h. User-defined functions are the ones which we create in a program. The first question which arises in our minds when we talk about functions is, why do we need them? So, whenever you need to perform a task for more than once, you have two options. One, you type it all over again. Two, you create a function and call it every time you perform. Which option would you choose? Option 2, right? Functions also makes debugging easy and they also improve readability. Let us now have a look at the syntax of the function. The return type. The return type can be any data type. You will understand it once you look at an example. Function name. Function name can literally be anything, but it is better if it is something meaningful and relatable to the task which we are performing. The arguments are the variables declared with the data types. These are the kind of input to the functions. The statements, these are obviously the code for the task we are performing. Now, let us have a quick glance at an example. This is an example for a program using functions, and the function in this program is addition, and its task is to add two numbers. First, in the main function, we declare two variables a and b, and we ask the user to input two numbers a and b, and then we pass these values to the function addition. And after adding the two numbers, the function addition returns the value of sum to the main, which gets stored in the variable sum1. Sum1 can be replaced by any name. I have used sum1 only for understanding. Then you display the value of sum1. This is a sample program, and its output will be like this. There are two methods by which you can pass a value in functions. Before you know about them, you need to know what actual and formal parameters are. Formal parameters are the ones used in the function arguments, and for actual parameters are the ones used in the function call, that is in the main. Call by value. In call by value, any change in the formal parameters does not affect the actual parameters, whereas in call by reference, any change in the formal parameters affects the actual parameters. The one we used in the previous program is call by value. That's all for now. Thank you.